a party for everyone, so let's party!
Party!
Here we go!
Out of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear that it's true, and I only belong to you.
All right. Every time of my life, and I never felt this way before. I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you. Aray! Ano ba? What's wrong? Ay, bakit?
Yung ka nang yun, hindi kami makapasok eh.
Come on, it's a musical effect.
Music puro you.
You. You.
Yung ka nang yun, paano kami papasok dito?
Musical effects nga yun. Ikaw naman, wala sa
Baklakan
puso.
ka, puro you.
Yeah, let's
Pwede na
continue.
ituloy.
Let's continue.
Music!
Ow!
Come on, everybody! Come on, let's go to party! Come on, party pressure! Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan.
Come on! Come on!
Tayo'y magsayawan,
Come on!
sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan.
Hey! Tayo'y ay magsaya at iwanan ang problema. Magsama-sama sa ligaya, magsayawan hanggang mag-umaga.
Na kailangan magpaganda at umorma kung magsasayaw ka. Baliwala ang lahat ng ito ay masasayang lang. Sulit!
Ay tumatakbo, di mararamdaman at pagod ay manlilimutan.
Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan. Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan.
Hey, Joe!
Tayo'y magsayawan, sumabay sa takbo ng tugtugan.
Baila mo!
Oye, kaya dyan, vaya, tayo.
Get down, put your hands up to the sound. Get up, get down, put your hands up to the sound. Get up, get down, put your hands up to the sound. Put your hands up to the sound. Put your hands up to the sound. Get up, get up, get up.
Get up, come on, get up, everybody, get up.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Put your hands up to the sound. Put your hands up to the sound. Put your hands up to the sound.
House
Put your
tonight,
hands up.
everybody just have a good
Put your
time.
hands up.
And we gonna make you lose your
Put your
mind.
hands up.
Everybody just have a good time. Party rocking's in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gonna make you lose your mind. Everybody just
Have a good time.
Na naman?
Ahabaan mo na naman eh. Time. Ladies and gentlemen, Solin! Eto,
Yan.
ang itsura mo nung nasa Naga ka.
Ako yan, pare.
Naguhubad ako.
Jose.
Naguhubad ako sa mundo.